Hi, I'm Sorrel Lambie and I'm the venue hire manager here at Manly Yacht Club. We're excited to invite you to our next open day, which will be showcasing Manly Yacht Club and the limitless ideas that you could have for your next function at our club. Manly Yacht Club is located next to Manly Wharf, so we're just a couple of minutes walk from the centre of Manly, which has a lot of accommodation for your guests. We're also a short ferry ride from the city CBD. We would love you to come and join us to experience the venue styled by Cloud9 Event Management. Amy and I would love to chat to you about your ideas and your aspirations for your special celebration.